Hello guys, welcome to Maths and Physics Catalyst, a channel for secondary school and advanced class students. Today marks 5th November 2025 and we'll continue with fraction.
Okay, now conversion of decimal to fractions.
Okay, some people seem to get this very confused
because decimal numbers can be converted into fractions. Okay, so solution for the first one. Let's say you just see 0.01 and you want to convert it into fraction. Okay, always what you will do is you check the last significant figure. The last significant figure, that's the normal number like 1, 2, 3 up to 9, no 0. Do you understand? In the decimal point, for example, here it is 1 only. That's why you consider. Then you count the numbers to the decimal point. For example, here I have 1, then now you count 0. That is what? 2. I have 2 numbers. What I mean is when you have 0.0102, for example, you consider this one first. That is 2. Then you now said I have 1 number, 2, 3, and with this one 4. Are you getting what I'm saying? But don't see this. Let's say 0.01050 and now say you count with 0. Always the last 0 will not count with 0. You will start counting with the what? Significant figure. But here in the opposite direction, like with this 5. Do you understand? 501. Or I can say you can count the numbers from the decimal point up to the last digit. You understand? So you can do any of this, but the only very important thing is just to know that you are going to count the amount of the numbers because it will help you. So here we are having only 2, that is 1 and this. There are 2 numbers, isn't it? Okay, then now you identify which number is this. What I mean here, the significant number or the significant digit here is 1. Is 1. 0 is not significant digit. For example, if I am given this 0.205, so significant digit is what? 2, 0 and 5. Here 0 is not significant digit if you are counting it in this way. Do you understand? Like you now see 0 first, but as far as you have a number like this, so from that any 0 between it and another number will be also another significant digit, not significant figure. How do you get what I'm saying? So here you count 0 because 0 is between 2 numbers. But if there is 0 here, you will not count with it. You will not count with it. You understand? So like in this case, the number is 205. That's the normal number, for example. You understand? Like if it is 0.13, the number is 13. You understand? Do you get what I'm saying? So this one will help you very important actually. So let us start. In this case we have only 1, so you just said okay, 1 over. Now you count how many numbers? 1, 2, isn't it? Then you now write 100. That is 100. The amount of the counting here will determine the amount of zeros here. Do you understand? You count 2 numbers and then 2 zeros. So if that you use your calculator, press 1 over 100, you will still what? Get this. That is 0.01. Let me do the second one, you understand better. So I have 0.25 like this. I will just say 0.25 is equals to which number is this? I will identify the number as 25 first, and then I will say over. Now I will identify the number of zeros. Okay, starting with this. This is 1, this is 2. You are counting till the decimal point. So I have only 2, isn't it? Then I have to say what? Over 100 like this, because 1 with zeros, the amount determines this, and that's all. So can you see that 1 over 100, 25 over 100 are all what? They are all fractions. And from this, if you wish, you can even simplify it as equivalent fraction. You can find its lowest equivalent fraction. For example, by saying 25 into 25 is 1 and 25 into 100 is 4, which means the fraction has equivalent fraction of 1 over 4. Anyway, our aims here is to just convert the decimal into fraction. So 25 over 100 is also fraction. This one or this one are all correct. So C, I have 0.170. 0.17, as I said, you not count with 0, you count with what? 7 and 1, because 0 is not significant digit. So you identify the number as what? 17. Then you now said all over the amount 100, which is 100. 17 over 100. If you don't know how to reduce fraction, watch my first video on fraction. I did equivalent fraction. You will learn how to convert the fractions. So D. In D we have 1.385. 1.385 is equals to, we have no problem with this one. We have no, this first one, we have no problem with it. Our only concern is this part, that is the decimal part, because 1 is already a number, a whole number. So the numbers here are what? We count with 5, 8 and 3, which means we are having 3 numbers, isn't it? But in the case of identifying the number, in that regard we will take 1. So if I remove the point, I take all the number, I identify the number as what? 1385. This is how the number is, 1385. Then I will now set all over. The amount that I count is 3, which means I'm going to divide it with what? 1 with 3 zeros, which is 1000. And this is my equivalent or my fraction. The decimal part of this now turns to 1385.